Soybean oil pressing method is divided into ordinary pressing method and spiral pressing method. Conventional pressing is a method of applying pressure to soybeans. The screw pressing method is to install a screw shaft in the cylinder of the horizontal device. After the pretreatment of soybeans into the screw press, squeeze the grease out as you go. This method can be continuously produced. But in the process of oil pressing, due to friction heating, proteins have a greater degree of change. The production process of physical pressing method requires raw materials to be selected. Soybeans are broken, steamed, and extruded after impurity removal and stone removal, so that the oil is separated from the oil. Fried soybeans are added in the pressing process, and after being pressed by the press, natural filtration and purification technology is used to make it. It maintains the original flavor of soybeans, rich in vitamin E, does not add additives,